What's going on, y'all? Happy Valentine's Day. And today we doing lamb, y'all. And it's gonna be so tasty. Make it for your sweetie. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing, you know we gotta rain on. Gotta hit them with that salt. Gonna hit them with some pepper, some garlic powder, and some basil, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into that pan. Now our pan has olive oil in it, and we're at a high temp, y'all, trying to develop a crust. Now the best way to know that your crust has developed is give it a shaky shake. That lets you know that the meat has released. That lets you know it's time to flip, y'all. So we gonna let that cook for another 3 minutes. Then we gonna add in 4 tablespoons of butter, and we just gonna constantly flip until we reach that magic temperature of 135. Now I'm looking for 135 because I like mine medium rare. You might like yours medium, so you might be looking for 145. So on and so forth, y'all. So of course when we done, we need to go ahead and make us a sauce. So let's go ahead and add us some onions. And we gonna mix that around until we get all those tasty bits out. Then we're gonna add in some heavy cream, a quarter cup to be exact. And we're gonna give that a mix. And we're gonna let this reduce until we get our desired thickness. But anyway, let's go and plate up. Now I had mashed potatoes with mine, green beans with some fresh carrots. And it was really tasty, y'all. And then I poured right over that beautiful sauce that we made. Now me and wifey, we thoroughly enjoyed this dinner. Ate it up, y'all. And I think you should make this for your sweetie. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.